Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited Q3 FY26 results. Margins drive performance in a volatile energy cycle. MRPL shares saw active investor interest after the Q3 FY26 update, with price movement largely tracking refining margin expectations and crude price trends rather than only quarterly profitability. During the quarter, MRPL's performance was primarily influenced by refining margins and product cracks across key fuels. Stable refinery operations and healthy capacity utilization helped offset volatility in crude sourcing and product pricing. Revenue remained linked to crude price movements, while profitability was shaped by margin realization and inventory dynamics. Operational efficiency and process optimization played a role in cushioning the impact of fluctuating input costs. The petrochemical segment contributed to overall stability, providing diversification beyond pure fuel refining. Demand trends across key products supported utilization levels, helping smooth earnings variability during the quarter. From a balance sheet perspective, MRPL maintained a disciplined approach to working capital and inventory management, which is critical during periods of sharp price movements in crude and refined products. Within the broader energy sector, Q3 FY26 was marked by uneven margin conditions globally. Refineries with flexible configurations and strong operational control, such as MRPL, were better positioned to manage this environment. Key risks include continued volatility in crude oil prices, shifts in global refining capacity, and regulatory or policy changes affecting fuel pricing. Inventory-related gains or losses can also introduce short-term earnings swings. Looking ahead, investors will track refining margin trends, crude sourcing strategy, and throughput levels as key drivers. Any improvement in global demand or tightening of supply could support margins in coming quarters. The investor takeaway is that MRPL's Q3 FY26 performance highlights the importance of operational efficiency and margin management in a volatile energy environment. While earnings remain sensitive to external factors, stable execution and diversified operations provide resilience across cycles.